Hello everyone, this is Sharmin Khan from Milkyway Art Design. Welcome to my channel. Today I have this 4" by 4" tile and I'm going to practice making some beautiful butterflies. The recipes are on the description sections of all my paints, and let's start. So to start with, you can see that I am very conservative about how much paint I am spreading on my tile, because it's a small tile. I don't want to spend too much paint and spin it and everything will fall off the tile. So I'm just being very economical as far as paint layering my base coat goes. If you are following me, you might have seen that I have tried a couple of the butterflies before, and this is my second or third try, I would say. So I hope that I'm improving in my craft. And I'm starting with Naples yellow because last one I did that and I really liked it. Brilliant magenta from Atelier. By the way, all these paints you can buy from Fluid Art Company. This is my custom color. I need my water to dilute it a little. I am again going for a tad bit of gold. Doesn't hurt actually. Then white titanium white cell activator, which has Australian Floetrol, and let's blow. Okay. I'm just trying to make the sides a little smoother. Okay. So this side I'm thinking of making the face. So I'm going to create 2 tentacles. I'm going to use thicker side. Notice when I'm using the thicker side or thinner side of my skewer. I'm trying to make the sides nicer, and in the process, even if I mess it up, I can always go back, use the skewer to put some more white base coat and clean it up. As you can see, this is exactly what I'm doing now. So let's add some, this is my butterfly, going to add some details. I apologize for the glares. I don't know what to do with that. So this is my third butterfly. I am going to work similar technique some more so I can perfect my craft. So this is where we stop. By the way, the two lines that you see, they are just added design, just a purpose of looking beautiful. It has nothing to do with the exact actual butterfly. So thank you so much for joining me today. And if you like my work, please write some comments and hit the like button. That will help me grow my channel. So again, by the way, don't leave. I will show you the dried video and some close-up shots. So this is my dried result. As you can see, these sides are really pretty. Look at the two tentacles. And that side is a little bit crooked, but I can always go and paint the crooked ones white, and it will be perfect again. So here it is. Thank you so much.